Welcome to all of you. I've presented 2 videos before this, but no discussion really took off around them. However, I believe that after this one, you'll continue to stay with me. All right, let's talk now. You may not have a beautiful story like many others in life, but because you faced every problem without fear, you are living the way you are today. We all love ourselves a lot, and that's the real truth. But even if you are educated, even if someone you meet tells you, or even if you watch motivational videos online, did you really get motivated by it? I think the answer might not be exactly like that. Because whether we accept it or not, the first thing we need for everything that leads to success is discipline. No matter what people in the world do, most of them live in misery. No matter how much they achieve, they do not find satisfaction from it. Look at all the achievements you gain in life. Even if no one else is around you, your mother and father will stand by your side. And even if they are not there, nature will always be with you. Treat all people with kindness. Help them, listen to them. Live in unity without considering a person's country or nationality. The reason for this is, our current lifespan is between 50 and 60 years. And many of those years have already passed. We only have a little time left. And that's the reason why we should live happily with everyone. Discover the skills you have, then develop them and share them with the world. Help the world in any way you can through everything you are skilled at. Teach those skills to the younger generation who will shape the future. As a result, while you inspire all people, the love you receive will not be limited to your country, but will spread throughout the world. Comment below about the challenges you have faced in your life and how you have confronted them. When you progress, avoid people who wish to hinder you. Don't engage with them. If someone else faces the same problems you have experienced in your life, help them understand those problems and provide guidance. Never forget to spend a little time each day helping others. Regardless of color, religion, or nationality, if we all work together, we can build a united world. Through our thoughts, we will leave this world as strong individuals. Many people who receive blessings will work as social workers. Let's start this without delay. It is important that all of us work well towards this goal. I believe that the day will come when your mother, father, loved ones, and everyone around you will be proud of all the social service work you do. Believe in yourself. Never regret the present moment. Give yourself value and trust in yourself. Work with discipline and collaborate with everyone. I'm happy that all of you are joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I'm glad you've stayed with me so far. I wish you all the best in starting your activities. I'll bring another video soon. Have a great day.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.